In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator. Click on your profile icon on upper right corner and then you will find here restricted mode and it's turned on. And here I can turn off restricted mode from here and it's grayed out, I mean disabled. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Privacy and Security. Then click on Security. Scroll down. On Use Secure DNS, turn off and turn on it again. And here you will find Select DNS Provider. And here Clean Browsing Family Filter is selected. Click on the drop down menu here and you can select Google Public DNS or Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Now close Security Setting tab. Go to YouTube and click on Profile icon on upper right corner. Then click on Restricted Mode. Now it's enabled. You can turn off Restricted Mode from here. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator.